Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial from the Gameplan channel. Today we're here with a tutorial on removing backgrounds in After Effects. Before watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications for future videos. Let's get started. So once we open After Effects, we import our video into the composition. At the top there's an option called the Roto Brush tool. We select that. We double click on our video or our image. Here we can select the parts we want to use the roto brush on and separate them from the background. Now, you need to be patient with this part and carefully separate your object from the background. There's another important point to consider for objects that are people or human figures. In the roto brush section, if you hold down your mouse click, you'll notice that two options will appear. The second option, Refine Edge tool, is specifically for rotoscoping hair. It does an excellent job of separating the hair for us, making it much easier to work with in our project. After we have carefully used the roto brush tool on the specific points of the hair that we want to isolate, we then move on to the next step. At this stage, we click on the freeze option, which is located at the bottom of the panel. This important action locks in our selection and prepares the hair for further editing, ensuring that our work remains precise and intact. In the settings section, there are a series of adjustments. That is a feeder, then there's shift edge, and by adjusting these we can fine-tune the roto brush. For example, if I increase or decrease the shift edge here, do you see what happens to the image as a result? Just watch closely and notice the changes that occur. Pay attention to the edges. When I adjust it, the edges become softer, or if I increase the feather, the edges get even softer, and it gives us a much more professional roto brush result. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye until the next videos.